Mamu, what's your life plan now? I'm good on money. I have made good business moves. And in the past couple months, the side ventures that or not just the side ventures, the businesses that I've started and created, we have acquired some investors and I'm good. So the speculation, like, what are you gonna do? You're gonna go work at a job? No offense, but if you are working a job still in 2022 when you have the internet, when you're online, and this is just genuine advice, there's no reason you should be working a job now with all the opportunities to make money online. I just talked to DDG yesterday, and like, even that dude, famous rapper, accomplished YouTuber, the amount of side hustles you can make, the amount of fucking bread you can make through finessing, and if you know how to like put your money in the right places online, is crazy. So there's no point in my opinion, and I will teach you a lot of this stuff in the Creativity Kit, genuinely. You do not need to work a job anymore. You don't need to work a job anymore. There's too much money online, bro. Someone vouch for me. There's got to be one of these internet money people. And when you get into the space, you meet all these types of people like, bro, I'm a millionaire. How the fuck are you a millionaire? Amazon Marketplace, drop shipping, crypto, Facebook ads. Just all these fucking weird ways. You don't need to work a job anymore, bro. There's people who are really finessing out here that you don't even need to be scamming. There's so much money online. Free yay in the chat. There's dude in the chat saying, bro, gonna work at McDonald's, and he has one of those channel names that fakes the amount of views it looks like he's getting. Free yay in the chat. Dominic, how you doing, bro? I'm doing good. I am seeing a lot of people, like I said, a lot of people capitalizing off of the fact that I'm not on YouTube. Right now, I'm only collabing and stuff like that. A lot of people, I'm telling you, bro. And there's really not even any point in addressing it anymore because we know how predictable it is. There's so many people just who are using my name to talk down on it and gain some, like, this guy's fake red. Just shut. But you can't, it is what it is. It's not beneficial for anybody to say something positive right now. Start my own site, King. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I should start my own website for real. It's just not that easy. I need to... Yo, chat, type of one if you will go if I made my own website. Why do you stay in the YouTube Matrix, Banana Slice? Because I like the YouTube platform. I'm not going to lie. I do like it. The one for my own website, the YouTube platform, it's a well-made website. The interface is good. The quality's good. The system works well. Twitch is better for streaming, but this is almost as good. I like it. I can't even lie. I don't like the decisions they make or how they are run by the advertisers, but it's a good website. You like The Matrix, huh? Well, yeah, I do. The Matrix is fun. That's where everybody is. That's where everybody's at. How long did the old Sneako vids take you to edit? This one's going to be a couple days. This one's going to be tough because it's a street interview and it's 2 days of interviews. It's like 5 hours of footage, yo. 5 hours of footage. Yo, anyone in the chat was in the Discord yesterday? It's Discord. Just look up Discord Sneako. That's my, you know what it is. Who was in that yesterday? That was very fun. Like, looking over all the footage. Just procrastinating. That's what I should be doing right now. But I wanted to chit chat. Yay and Tate, is it for real? I will not confirm or deny, but it's too bad I'm not the middleman for that. Thank you, Z-Lance boy. Thanks for the 100. Bro, when will you react to Andrew Tate X69 podcast? It was funny as hell. I already saw it. I don't know if it's worth reacting to. Yeah, I already saw it. Bro, I'm missing out on shit. Everything that I watched, like, I could just be watching on stream and reacting to it. 246 says, I can smell some big moves from Sneako coming soon. Yes, you can. Thomas, did you hear about H3, L3 getting banned? And also, I would pay up to $100 a month for non-woke information from you on your own website. Yeah, L3 didn't even get banned. He got suspended for saying that Ben Shapiro should die in the Holocaust. Some crazy shit. He just got a week ban. I didn't even know it was a thing. You can get banned for a week on YouTube. I guess if it's a strike. Sneako, you should make a Patreon or something. I have a Patreon. Patreon.com/thesneako. Income in high school, how to start. Learn a skill online. There's a million things I could tell you, but I think the best thing for a long term is to learn a skill like Photoshop or Premiere or editing. Learn a skill that makes you valuable and that you could add value to people. Think about what you invest your time into and how can you add value to that. For me, that's something like editing, Photoshop. If you get really good at that, then you have a skill that other people don't have, and you have a job, just like that. Do you still vape, bro? When did I ever vape? Why are you talking like I ever vaped in the first place? I'm gonna check my Discord for reactions. Let's react to shit, man. Yo, chat, I missed you. I miss streaming, bro. I fucking miss streaming so goddamn much, man. I need a place. I really relate to Ye at that point where if I don't feel like I have the opportunity to express myself freely, I start going, blah, blah, blah. That's when I start going crazy and losing my mind. I went out to, no homo, I went out to dinner with Destiny last night. Well, we you know. And he's like, you can't take too much time off of streaming because that's when you can go down a downward spiral. And it's 100% true, bro. I need to have this outlet to talk. I need to be able to make jokes and talk to chat and voice or else I go nuts. I love streaming. Fuck. I love making videos too. This edit is just like daunting right now because it's so big. L stream. L battery, I know. Chat, you miss me? You miss me, or you just replaced me with some other mid-streamer who's less entertaining? Did you guys start watching Lost and Obby since I left? What have you been up to since I've been gone? My regular chat people who are in here every single day before the shit fucking... What the hell y'all been up to? I wanted to watch Ye on Lex Fridman. It's complicated. Drop some new vids. Yeah, there's some shit, bro. There's some shit. Fuck it, bro. And now I'm just dead ass, bro. I just shouldn't feel the need to justify how much money I'm making, but just like, bro, chat. How would you feel about this? I read comments like, oh, he's got to work at McDonald's now. I'm like, you don't even know. You don't even know. What are you talking about? But there's no point in trying to tell people how much money you make. You shouldn't. I don't care. Bryson Gray. Shout out to Bryson Gray in the chat, bro. Good to see you, bro. Yo, Bryson, what's your gram? Should we talk? I mean, what's your Discord? Maybe we'll talk. Maybe not today. I miss my chat, bro. Real Bryson, I miss the regular chat people, bro. You think we can get this shit up to 1K? Did Google take 200K? Yes, they did. But, bro, it's just a little 200K. It's just a little 200K. I'm hiring a lawyer. I'm taking it to trial for the principle of it. To get what I am owed. I made Google that money and they're just taking it.
That's it.
Your job?